And welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate percent change. So we're going to learn how to calculate the percentage difference between two values. In our first example, we have a car that was purchased for $149,300. But after a year, the car depreciates and the car is now worth $119,440. So we can see that the value of the car has decreased from its original value. What I'm going to show you is how to calculate by what percentage the value of the car decreased in 3 steps. The first step is to calculate the difference between the original amount and the new amount. That means we're going to subtract. Since we know the value has decreased, it doesn't matter if we subtract the original value from the new value or the new value from the original value. What's important is that we get the difference between the two amounts. So let's subtract the new value from the original value to get the difference. And $149,300 minus $119,440 gives us a difference of $29,860. Our second step is to take our difference and divide it by the original amount. Now, the original value of the car was $149,300. So that's what we're going to divide by. And by the way, please feel free to use a calculator to calculate this. So the difference of 29,860 divided by the original cost of 149,300 equals 0.2. And our third step is to convert the decimal value into a percent. Now to do this, we need to multiply the decimal value by 100, and 0.2 multiplied by 100 equals 20. And last, you need to add the percent symbol to your final answer. So we know that the value of the car has decreased by $29,860, and we've just calculated that this is a 20% decrease. Let's try another one. In this example, we have a property that was purchased for $2 million. And after some time, the value of the property has increased and it is now worth $3,200,000. Now remember, the first step is to calculate the difference between the original amount and the new amount. So let's subtract to get the difference. And 3,200,000 minus 2 million gives us a difference of 1,200,000. Now, our second step is to take our difference and divide it by the original amount. Now, the original value of the property was $2 million. So that's what we're going to divide by. Again, feel free to use a calculator to calculate this. Now, the difference of 1,200,000 divided by the original cost of $2 million equals 0.6. Now, let's convert the decimal value of 0.6 into a percent. To do this, we need to multiply 0.6 by 100, which equals 60. And last, we need to add the percent symbol to our final answer. So we know the value of the property has increased by $1,200,000, and we've calculated that this is a 60% increase. Okay, let's try one more. In this example, we have an electric drum set. So, Larry's Mega Music Shop is having a sale. The electric drums were once $430, but now the price has been reduced to $340. By what percent has the price of the electric drums decreased? Round to the whole percent. Now, I recommend that you go and watch my video on rounding if this is something you're not quite familiar with yet. Now, if you like, you can pause the video to calculate the percent change yourself. And when you're ready, you can press play to see the answer and also see how to solve it. Okay, welcome back. So the price of the drums decreased by 21%. So let's see how we were able to calculate 21%. Remember, the first step is to calculate the difference between the original price and the new price. So let's subtract the new price from the original price to get the difference. And 430 minus 340 gives us a difference of $90. Our second step is to take our difference and divide it by the original price. Now, the drums originally cost $430. So that's what we're going to divide by. So again, you can use your calculator to divide the difference of $90 by the original price of $430, which equals 0.209. Now, let's convert the decimal 0.209 into a percent. So that means we need to multiply by 100, which equals 20.9. Now, before we add our percent symbol, remember, we need to round to the whole percent. So let's round 20.9 to the whole percent, which is 21. And now we can add the percent symbol to our final answer. So we know that the price of the electric drums decreased by $90. And we've just calculated that this is a 21% decrease. So this is how to calculate percent change between two values. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.